Oh!
Welcome to ErusTV.
Hi kids.
Hi kids, today we'll play the balloons.
The water balloons. Oh, it didn't pop. Whoa, whoa.
That one didn't pop either.
Whoa.
What the heck? It's not popping, Eris. Pop it. What the heck? It's not popping. Oh. Nope.
Here, Eris, try this one. Here, try this one, try this one.
Try the bigger one. Try the bigger one.
Try this one.
Eris.
You're like,
Yeah, big splash. Oh, yeah. You gotta throw them up, Eris. Throw them up high. Whoa. Oh. Big splash.
here's one of the big ones. Here, Eris, try this one.
Look.
It's your favorite color. Higher. Oh, what, Eris? You've already done 3.
And none of them are working. Pop, 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 pop. No. Oh.
It's gonna pop, it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop.
Go up high, Mom. Up high, Mom. Super high. Super high, super high. Oh!
Here, catch it.
Here, Dad, catch it.
No, wait. Oh! Whoa! Hey!
Yeah, I made it.
It's a warm day today, so we gotta cool down somehow, right, Eris? Oh, big splash.
Here, Dad.
Hey! Oh! Hey!
Again, look.
Are there any more?
Nope. Let's do
Uh-oh.
one more. We have one more balloon left.
Let's do more. You wanna do more, Eris?
And 1, 2.
Okay, let's go get more. Come on, come on.
Come on.
Give us some more balloons. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa,
Feeling lucky with this one.
whoa.
Me, 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 me,
Almost there.
me, 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 me.
Hi, Eris.
Hi.
Yellow. Yellow, yellow.
Yellow balloon.
Like SpongeBob.
It looks like SpongeBob. It looks like
Whoa.
SpongeBob, Mom.
You look like SpongeBob?
Yeah. The balloons do.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna catch Yoda. We're gonna try to get him, right, with the water balloon. Where's Yoda? Where is he? He's right here. Okay, get the balloon. Get it. Go check it. No, go. Close, get close. Close it. Yeah! Hey, you got him! Give me 5.
Let's
Good
do it
job.
again.
Ready? Oh! Again.
No, that's in pop.
It's not gonna pop. Oh! It popped. So SpongeBob is gonna play baseball. Go, SpongeBob.
With the water balloon.
With water balloons. Pop it, Eris. Pop it. Hit it hard. Oh.
Here, let's try again. Go.
Whoa.
It won't stay.
Oh. You almost got yourself, Mom. Hey, what are you doing?
Ah.
SpongeBob, what happened, SpongeBob? Yeah!
Yeah.
There's a whistle!
Ah.
Bombs!
Balloon fight! Water balloon fight! Hey! Oh! Oh, yeah?
Uh-oh. You better run, Eris.
You can't get me yet. Uh-huh. These don't pop. Up. This is gonna go high. Whoa! It does not pop. Oh, that one's easy. Oh, yeah! That was good.
And we're gonna do it again.
Look at all the balloons that we just popped. Look at all the balloons, Eris. I mean, SpongeBob. Okay, let's do it again. But it's time to say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Say, don't forget to subscribe and like.
It's gonna subscribe and videos and subscribe. Bye.